In this tutorial, I'll show you how to promote the Impact Affiliate link without a website. I've logged into the Impact Affiliate dashboard. Now, if you don't have an Impact Affiliate account, I have a tutorial on how to create it. I'll drop it in the description box. Choose the niche or the product you want to promote, which I explain everything in this tutorial. These are the brands I'm working with right now because I love digital products. I don't want to deal with physical products. Now in this tutorial, I will promote InVideo. This is the InVideo dashboard or the home page. Before I show you how to promote, when you check here, make 50% commission on every monthly plan and 25% commission on every annual plan. As you can tell here, this is the business plan and the unlimited studio plan. Now with this, since it's a one-time purchase, you should get a 50% commission, because when you check here, annual is 50% but monthly is 25%. I stand to be corrected, but I believe that's the way it is. Anyhow, just calculate 50% on this, and even if it's 25% on this, just imagine you're gonna get like over 200. Now when you scroll and check right here, you'll be surprised to know that most creators prefer this plan because they want to have unlimited access to video exporting, and with this you have a lot of stock that you can work with. My customers prefer this a lot. All right, if you get 10 sales, you can easily make $150, and even if you get the 25%, it's still good. With that out of the way, let me show you, because right now, trust me, this product is selling like crazy because people don't want to create videos themselves because they don't want to appear on the camera, and some are shy. That is the reason why this InVideo product is selling like crazy. People are signing up like crazy. Now I'll show you how to get your affiliate link and how to promote it. Don't click on create link, click on assets. That way you have unlimited access to a whole lot of banners and stuff that you can promote. All right, these are all the banners, and it doesn't stop, trust me. They have a lot of banners that you can work with. If you have a WordPress website, this banner will be good for you, and that one too. This is for social media, but I'm gonna use the general link or the general landing page, which is the test InVideo branch link. I'll click on it. Let me show you something quick. Before I do that, you have to scroll down and go to language and select the language that you want to promote this thing in. But I want to promote in English, either USA or United Kingdom, Australia or Canada. I'll click US and I'll click on test video branch link. Because if you don't do that, trust me, you're gonna end up promoting the wrong link to your audience. Next, I'll click on track link and I'll click to copy. I'll go to incognito just to make sure. Incognito, I'm gonna paste it here, enter, bam. The link will drive your clients to this site. I'll keep it like this and I'll leave this the way it is. But it's time to promote this link. We're gonna create a banner because I'm gonna promote this product on social media. I'll create a quick banner, just so it's gonna help when people are scrolling and stuff. I'll use Canva to create thumbnail banner. You can promote it on most social media platforms. I'll go back here, right click and copy the image, and let's see, Ctrl V to paste. I got it here. Now I need to find element. Click here, and by the way, if you don't know how to use Canva, I have a tutorial on it. I'll drop it in the description box, but there are a bunch of tutorials on YouTube. I'll type video editing. I'll go with this one. I'll click on it, and I have the pro version. You just have to look for the free version and use it. This is a free version, so you can use it. You just have to go through, or you can type free AI video editing. Get the right thing, and I'll enlarge this. Let me minimize. It's gonna pop a bit. Push it down, and I'll push this here like this. I need something with. I'll use this one and click on flip and flip it. This is good. I'll push this here. Now I'm gonna click on the text, click here and push it over in video AI editor. I'll just and I'll change the font to. I change the font to intro raw. I'll just go like this, and I'll change the color to this color. Click on the color palette and click on this one. Yeah, just to make it fade like this one as well. Something, or maybe I can just give it this similar color. So click on the color palette, click on it, yeah, and I'll give it some effect color, and I'll use this color down here, effect outline, and I'll use color. Actually, let me black. I'll keep it simple like this, and I'll go back here, and for SEO, I'm gonna change the title or the heading here. I'll click here on the pencil and type best AI video maker dash in video best YouTube video editor. These are the keywords that people are searching for. If I click on it. It's gonna open. It looks similar. So now I'll click the second one. Now I'm gonna download it. Click on share, scroll down, click download, and I should have paid $2.78, but I'm on the pro plan. It says you are saving this amount thanks to Canva Pro. Like I said, I'm on the pro plan, that's why. And it's $16 a month or $16.99, something like that. Click on, but you can use the free version, but it's up to you. Click download. Now I have my banner. I'm gonna close it. I'm done with it. Close this. Now it's time to promote this product. There are a bunch of traffic sources out there, but in this tutorial I'll promote this product on Twitter. Twitter is the best free social media platform for affiliate marketing outside Pinterest. I'll click here, what is happening, and if you don't have Twitter account, it's free. Please just sign up. All right, and I'll go to the home page. Close this, or if you want, you can just close this and open a new window and paste your link. Now for sure your prospect will end on this page. What we're gonna do, we're gonna use text on this page to promote this product. First, I'm gonna copy. Right click, copy, go back here, drop this, create videos with text prompts, create videos with video AI using text prompts. Now enter dash this, and we're gonna go back because this is the headline. That's why I did it like that, and you have to recreate the whole thing. Add some text, like you saw what I did here. Like I add just a simple text to change the whole thing. And now we're gonna go down and find something that is standing out, because to them this text or this ad copy is really important. I'm gonna copy this, send any idea or content to video instantly. I like, right click, copy, go back here and paste it, send any video instantly. This Grammarly thing, it keeps telling me what to do or advising me on what to change. Then I'll go back again, scroll down. If you want, you can rewrite it, but I'm just showing you what to do. Click, copy, go back, paste it. The next one, and one AI tool. Sometimes this Chrome extension will help you correct your mistakes or even mistakes from the vendor, because most of these tests are not written by pros sometimes, but sometimes it's just the extension being a bit fuzzy or a bit controlling. Use the full power of video to grow your brand. Right click, copy, drop it here. I guess this is enough. There are a bunch of them, but I'll just use this. Then I'll say, then I'll right click emoji and I'll click on this or this one for attention. I guess red is louder than green. Click the link, or I'll say access to the home page. Then I'll go back, copy the link, all right, and drop it here. Now, one thing I'll advise you not to do is to drop affiliate link like this. It's not good. Most of the time they'll end up deleting your campaign or your promotion and stuff like that. So I'll delete it. I'll show you what to do. Use bit.ly link shortener or any link shortener out there, but I prefer bit.ly. Click create new and click on link. But first, you can do this without creating an account, but when you do that, you cannot customize your link, and I'll show you in a second. Click here and drop your link. You can name it in video for your reference, then scroll down here. This is the customized backlink I'm talking about. I'll say in video AI editor. Let's hope this custom link is still available. Click create. That's good, it's still available. I'll copy and go back to Twitter and paste it here. Access. Oh, I prefer one line. I don't like this like this. Let me just push it down and let's see. Alright, I'll push it down and I'll add tag best AI video. Alright, now I have 16 characters left. Video and AI and what else? Yeah, that's it. This is the home page now. Now I'm gonna add my banner. You see right here, media. Click on it. Alright, then click on best AI video maker and open. Bam. When people are scrolling, it's gonna catch their attention. When you're done, click post. You have to keep promoting it. Go to forums or follow video editing groups, YouTube short groups, TikTok groups, and even Instagram Reels groups. People who don't know how to go about this video content creation thing, help them and tell your prospect, click on this link, go sign up, subscribe to this plan, and after get back to me and I'll help you. That's another way of helping one another. This is not just it. From here I'll go to Pinterest and I'll promote it there. Go to other traffic sources. Do say you have to keep pushing, but the best traffic source is to join groups and forums. If you keep on doing this, you're gonna make $100 easily. This is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.